Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So today's video, I will show you guys all of my new puppets that today I just brought them. So let's get started and hop into this video. So, but by the way, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notification bell, and make sure to share this video. So if you do all these things, so let's go into this video. So step one is I got this like earth dimple, I guess. This is a really cute earth dimple, obviously. You can see it's so cute too. So yeah. Next one that I got a lot of puppets, so let's get started. So step one is this glow in the dark puppet, which is I buy it at Clara's. So yeah. And next one, which is this orange tango. Square, sorry. It's really good. I would say the puppet size are really good. So the next one is this. Next one, which is this octagon rainbow puppet, which is obviously the normal, like the basic puppet. So I love these original puppets. It's really good to pop side too. And the next one, which is again another squared rainbow puppet, and it's original too. It's like this is like one of my favorite because like it's so good to pop sounds. So yeah. Next one, which is obviously another, there's a circle one. Like so now that I brought these three are all the original. So the next one, which is obviously the second favorite. This is I don't know if it's a flower or sun, but I think it's like a flower puppet. Two sides are really good too, so good to pop size. And then the next one is French fries puppet. One side's good, one side's bad. So yeah. The next one is again, this is like a Target. I buy it at Target. This puppet is like this is like a really normal puppet. So yeah, and one side is really, two sides are good. Yes, I love this, and my sister loves it too. And also we got this gingerbread man. And also there's some nose of the gingerbread. Okay, and then the next one is this keychain. It's a unicorn. It's like sleeping. So good. Next one is this hamburger puppet. It's matched with this fries, no? So I love it so badly. This is so cute, like a thing. So yeah. The next one, I got this tango. Yeah. This one is this pet thing. Simple. I don't know what is this piece for. Next one they gave us this. I don't know if it's a dojo one. It's like a kitty. And then the next stick, which is this one, which is one of my favorites. Super ASMR. And number 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, these are so cool. And also the last thing, which is the coolest. Are you ready? Wait, where is it? Boom! Boom! This is a giant Among Us. Super big. So yeah, it's like already like you cannot even see the size, right? So it's like this. What the? So yeah. And this is obviously really like big, like oh my gosh. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, turn on the notification bell, and share this video to everybody. So guys, I love you guys so much.